Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here today, my name is Odds and we are going to be doing a Pride Get Ready With Me. I'm going to be basing it off of, ooh, are we a little crooked? I'm going to be basing it off of the Lesbian Pride flag, which I have here. I have it here so I don't have the flag memorized, so I can see what we're doing, and we're just going to chat and get ready. So if you're new here today, I would love for you to subscribe. I do 2 videos a week, beauty vlogs, Star Wars, Marvel, DC, The Boys. There's something on this channel for everyone, so be sure to stay tuned for that, and let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start by putting on the Laneige Lip Sleeping Balm. I have the lemon scent right now. Alright, and we do eyes here first. So, Milani eyeshadow primer. I'm going to be using, there's my brushes, they're over here. Also my light keeps going in and out, so that's going to be kind of annoying. I have the ring light in here. The ABH Norvina, this is the Volume 1 palette. I've used this on my channel. It looks like this. Also, my AC keeps going in and out, so it'll be fun. But I think this can really fit this pretty well. I've done a lot of looks on it before. So I'm going to go ahead and do like a gradient and kind of pan out. But I'm not going to do, I'm just going to do 3 colors, not the 7 stripes that exist, because that is going to be very hard to do in your eyes. But I'm going to do orange, then white, then, well, orange, then white, then pink. Let's see how that turns out. I can't find the brush that I want, so I'm going to use this brush. This is from an Anastasia palette, so it would work out. Let's do orange to pink. So we're going to start with E2, which is the orange shade in this palette. And just press that in to the inner corner and put it down here too. I promise we'll get to like chatting. I just am trying to focus on doing this eye look. Now we're going to take the white. I just need to clean off my brush. So yeah, happy Pride to everybody. I hope you're having a good Pride. It's been kind of crap, not gonna lie to you. Basically we have the whole Supreme Court nonsense that we're dealing with, which is as much of a LGBTQ issue as it is a women's right issue. And I wish people would realize that, because it's been real tough. And I know it's been real tough for a lot of people. So just do what you can and go to protests and donate to, not to campaigns, we don't need to donate to political campaigns, but donate to organizations, like independent organizations would be good to donate to. Just to help in whatever way you can, honestly. That's what I'm trying to say. Oh my gosh, I don't love the white. Why did I decide to do this? Should have left out the white, but we're too far done. Too far into this. I don't have a shimmery white in this, which I don't love. But what I'm going to do is take some concealer and try to even this out on the top. I'm just getting back into using this concealer and it's like doe foot is huge, so I'm trying to deal with that. And see, it's coming together. It's coming together, folks. So I started with orange. We're gonna do orange on the inner corner too, using the sparkly orange. Now we're using the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof eyeliner. It's gonna look good when it's all together. Kind of like it just the black line versus like a wing. Alright, NYX Plump Right Back. So, yeah, other than like that terrible news, happy summer too. It's been really hot, like ridiculously hot. I'm sure most places that's been the case since there's been like heat waves everywhere. But here in Atlanta, it's definitely been hot Atlanta. A little bit more on my forehead. Running out of this small size. I have the big size ready to go. Let that sit for a minute. Yeah, I went to a pool party yesterday, which I was so excited about. Pretty fresh tinted moisturizer. Because I've been wanting to go into the water because it's so hot. Like, that is the best thing about summer is going in pools, and I don't have a pool at my current place, but I'm looking to move soon. And everywhere I'm looking has a pool because that's a necessity for me at this point, which is very privileged, but it's the reality. It's really hot. I would like a pool, pretty much landlocked. There's a couple lakes, including Lake Lanier, which is cursed. Like, look it up. There's so many drownings that happen there. Like, people go missing and never heard from again. I don't know what's happening at that lake. There's a lot of conspiracy theories about it, but I just know I will not be going in that water. But there's apparently a couple other lakes and rivers and stuff that I could go in, but I don't know. I don't necessarily have anybody to go with at this point in time. So, kind of just waiting, and I'm not going to go by myself because I think that's pretty dangerous to go to any sort of body of water by yourself, especially when you don't know it very well. But I am so excited. I'm officially 1 month out from Disney World, so flying down to Florida. Was gonna drive, but I cannot be bothered to do a 6.5 hour drive. The drive down's not bad, it's the drive back, because usually you're like so tired, and I anticipate I might be a little hungover. So flying is the best option there. I was just so exhausted when I did the drive back from Tampa a couple weeks ago, that I was like, this is just dangerous and I should just go ahead and fly next time. So I got a decent deal, although flights are just expensive right now because of the built up demand. So, and like staffing shortages and everything like that. It's a disaster. I'm a little bit terrified of flight delays because every flight I've been on has been delayed this year. So that's not good, but hopefully this is the glowish powder, which I clearly love. Hopefully that goes well, but I will be there from Thursday to Monday. I am so excited to go with my friends Hallie and Monica. We're staying at Pop Century. We are going to ride Cosmic Rewind, which, you know anything about me, I'm a Guardian super fan, so I'm really excited to ride that ride. And then we're going to do all 4 parks. We're going to do 2 parks a day, all 4 parks. We have a reservation at Oga's Cantina. We have a reservation at Ohana for breakfast, not for dinner, which is fine. Honestly, I'm probably allergic to, I'm pretty sure they cook all their food in soy sauce, so I'm allergic to soy, so could not go for dinner, but very excited. I'm quite powdered. That is fine. There's this big horsefly that is flying outside my window, and I'm so glad I'm inside right now. I'm using Fenty powder. Bronzer is a powder. Also, what else is new? Got invited last night to the Bridgerton experience, which I've not watched Bridgerton. Have you watched Bridgerton? I know most people have, so I'm kind of late on the game there, but let me know your thoughts on it, and I'm definitely going to start watching that soon. I've been watching First Kill, obviously, lesbian show, gotta watch it. I've been watching First Kill. Only Murders in the Building Season 2 comes out this week, so I'll be watching that. I've been watching Miss Marvel, finished Obi-Wan, and there's breakdowns on this channel for that. Watching The Boys, there's breakdowns on this channel for that. So very, very good. I'm going to use the 2 Nabla powders. This is a highlighter, this is a blush. If you couldn't tell by their colors. This one is it's quite pink. We're gonna go a little ham on our blush today, as I always do. What else is new in my life? Hockey season is over for me. Rangers didn't make it to the final. So sad. They got beat by the Lightning again. So obnoxious. But game is tonight, and the Avalanche can close it out. But knowing the Lightning, they'll probably win at home. Not enough blush. It's a very glowy blush. I appreciate it very much. So yeah, I went to the last Ranger game of the season at Tampa. And although we lost, it was fun. A little stressful because we were losing. That looks so pretty. Now we're gonna go back to the Norvina palette and do the whole under eye pink. making the stupidest face. I'm gonna go back to my little highlighting brush, inner corner brush, and put the sparkly pink right in here. I'm gonna use this, I think it's called Orange Zest. Yes, it's a NYX Epic ink. Epic Wear. This is not. Alright, and then we're gonna spray. This is the Urban Decay Ultra Glow. It's all coming together. It's all coming together. My hair is wet. I took a shower because I went to the gym today. Fun times. Now, the question is, do I want to use L'Oreal Lash Paradise or do I want to use Big Bad Lash? I think I want to use Big Bad Lash. I'm liking both. I think Lash Paradise gives you more volume, but Big Bad Lash makes it more long and separated. And I like that a little bit better than volume. Ooh, I got a good curl out of this. L'Oreal also dries super quickly. Whether that's a good thing or a bad thing is left to the user. Like, that looks so pretty. Look at that. It does layer pretty well too. I don't typically wear a lot of double coats of mascara. I tend to just go over it until I like it. I don't like do one eye, then do another eye, then go back to the first eye and like do that. But I've done that before and it does layer pretty well if you've never used this mascara. I think Megan Thee Stallion was like the ambassador for this. Which makes sense because she's a baddie. Keep thinking about those angel eyes. Keep thinking, Then I'm gonna fix it all up. I don't know. Hot Toddy. It's melted matte. So this is it. My hair is like not gonna cooperate today because it is wet. But this is the final look. What do you think? You think it holds up to the flag at all? I couldn't fit all 7 shadows on my lid. I could have done like different, you know, like one to the other. But I've done that before, but this is just something different. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was enjoyable. If you liked it, please give it a big old thumbs up. Let me know if you watched it all the way to the end by leaving a comment. And I will see you on Wednesday with a new video. Bye!